helping others is so divine. It's like planting